Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a vintage Wilson Bohannan padlock. It's about 40 or 50mm across. I do have a couple of WB locks of the larger variety. One's got a long shackle, other's got a shorter. This one's beautiful because it's all brass. It was given to me by kind JJ80 on our UK Locksport forum, so thank you so much, my friend. He gave me this to add to my vintage lock collection. The reason he sent it is because I let Javid borrow one of my Abus padlocks, which he returned the other day with this little beauty inside. No working key with it. I'll actually show you on the back as well, because it says Columbia gas system. On the bottom is stamped 43, which tells me it's been obviously a chain of locks for a gas company. We'll start at the back, work to the front, light tension and just adjust every now and again. This tension wrench can slip every now and again, so I might have to readjust. There you go. It's actually picked, but the shackle's not coming out. Now and again it just needs a little bit of assistance. Let's lock it back up. Do that one more time. Tension wrench will probably slip now, nature of the beast. So to the back. And there you go, hits. So that's a lovely vintage Wilson Bohannan padlock single pin picks. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.